Hey there, welcome back to Hong Kong Eats and Adventures. Today we're going to make the Chinese classic dish, Mapo Dofu, or Mapo Tofu, which it would be in English. And this is a spicy, super spicy and savory tofu dish. So what do we need to put in this? Well, number one, you need some tofu. Number two, you need some spicy chili bean paste, which you can find at your local Asian market. Chili oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, about 4 ounces of some sort of mince. I have ground pork. You could have ground beef, ground turkey, ground chicken. You could even use TVP if you want to make this vegetarian or vegan. The star of the show here is Sichuan peppercorns, which are not necessarily spicy, but they have a really numbing effect in your mouth, which gives this dish its distinctive taste. 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic. We also have a cup of stock, vegetable, chicken, or water if you wish, as well as 1 tablespoon of oil. So let's get this started and see how it goes. Okay, first off, we're going to turn this bad boy on. As I've said before, I do not like the induction cooker. We'll let this get hot for a minute. Okay, step number 1. We are going to dry fry our Sichuan peppercorns, just to get them a little bit toasted. Okay, keep them moving. You don't want to burn them. You just want to toast them a little. Okay, that done, we're going to take them off and set them aside. We're going to run these through a grinder and add them back later. So to get started, we're going to go for 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, to which we are going to add 3 tablespoons of chili bean paste. To this, we'll add our garlic and ginger. Let these all cook and get fragrance. And then we will add our mince. Now, the name of this dish, Mapo Dofu, translates to old woman tofu. I don't remember exactly why it's called this. This is a dish we ate all the time when I lived on the mainland. And this was my first introduction to tofu. And for everybody, tofu and soy products do not give you cancer, despite what some of you may believe. With the meat all brown, we're going to add the soy sauce and the wine, the sugar and the 5 spice powder I forgot to mention earlier. Our stock. as well as 2 teaspoons of chili oil. Okay, that has come back to a boil. We are going to add in our chopped block of tofu. Now this we want to be gentle because we don't want to break up the tofu too much. But we do want it to mingle with all these amazing flavors. As well as let it reduce just a little bit. To this, we are going to add our ground Sichuan peppercorns. And gently stir them in. And we're going to add a cornstarch slurry. So 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water, which is going to thicken this up in short order. There we have it. Okay, money shot. So what does this smell like? Smell the spices, smell the ginger, smell the peppers, and the taste test. We got some pork, we have some tofu. Usually this is served with rice because the rice helps to cut down on the spicy factor. That is very good. The Sichuan peppercorns hit you right in the back of the throat. But beyond that, this could use a little bit more regular chili to it to make it just a little bit more zippy. But all in all, not bad. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Click on the notification bell to see all our newest videos of cooking and adventures in Hong Kong. This is Steve for Hong Kong Eats and Adventures, signing off.